I'm going to share with you 10 successful business ideas, and we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Ideas and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe link and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched my previous videos on business ideas and how to expand your business idea, please click the link in the subscription link so that you watch those previous video. Today I'm going to share with you 10 successful business ideas that you can do. Before I mention those lists or I enlist those business ideas, stay to the end of this video so that you see which business idea has been working for very many people and have been making profit out there in the market. If you have any extra business idea that is already working for you, please ensure that you write that business idea in the comment section so that everyone gets to know about it. The first successful business idea that I have for you today is computer repairs. Computer repair is one successful business idea that you can do, and it can work at any time. It is a side hustle business that you can do it, and it doesn't require you to have a center or any place to operate. You can still operate from home. If you feel like you can go to a business place, or you can start a location where you can start repairing mobile phones and you access very many customers who requires mobile or computer repairs, you can start your business and locating your business in one place. The second successful business idea that I have for you today is web designing. If you're one person who is good at designing websites, who have got the skills and the talents of designing very beautiful websites that attract customers, you can start making money, and it is one successful business that is working. It is a business idea that is nowadays being implemented by every business in the world. The digital market is now increasing, and every business wants to have an online presence as well as an offline presence. Everyone tries to create Google business page, Bing business page, Yahoo business page. It is so much advisable to start web designing business if you are one of the students, or if you have skills, or if you know how to design websites. The third business idea, which is also successful in the market, is related to web designing. It is graphic designing. Graphic designing is preparing designs, beautiful designs such as logos, business cards, and greeting cards. Preparing this type of logos and selling them on your own websites and e-commerce websites also generates for you money while you are still asleep. You will require to have very beautiful graphic designs which is sold on your websites, and you will make money while you are still on your bed. The fourth business idea that I have for you today is freelance writing. Are you good at writing? Writing books, ebooks, writing articles for websites? Are you able to write posts for websites? If you are good at writing websites, you can start freelance business, and it has been working for very many people, and it is one business idea that really works. You are going to work at your own pace, at your own free time, rather than being congested or being suppressed or supervised by a businessman or another person. You are going to be your own boss, and you can work at any time that you are free. So the fifth business idea that I have for you is online translation. If you are bilingual and you know more than one language, you can start online translation and you can start earning money. You can gain enough money by doing online translation, by translating the two languages that you know. All you need to do is to have a website, a profile on the internet, or one of the websites that provide online translations, and you can earn money every assignment or every translation that you do. It has been working for very many people, and many people are now starting to make an online translation and even outsource the other jobs that they cannot do on their own. The sixth successful business idea that has been working for very many people is YouTube channel. Have you realized that how many people are posting pictures made into videos, slide pictures created into video? These videos are uploaded, or either a video uploaded into YouTube. You can make money by monetizing your YouTube channel. You need to create first a fan page which is also connected to your YouTube channel. To start making money on YouTube channel, you will need to have almost 1,000 followers and 40,000 watch hours as per the YouTube policies that have been placed in 2018 February. So the other successful business idea that you can start is Childcare Center. Childcare Center is one thing that you can do. If you're one person who stays at home and you know that you can take care of kids and console them, you can start keeping the childs of very many people who are working, and you can get paid for that. Another successful business that I have for you today is photography. Are you good at taking good pictures? You can start selling your photography services to weddings, and you can also start your photography service just by starting printing out passport size photos. You can start photo booths and place them in public areas so that people can request or take a snapshot and for a remembrance for the time that they are having in a public place where they are taking or relaxing or doing their own entertainment activities. So the other business idea that I have for you today is investing in fitness centers. Have you imagined fitness is one of the booming businesses which very many people enroll themselves to reduce weight. Very many people want to keep their body in a very healthy manner or very fit way and attend or subscribe to fitness centers. Starting a fitness center is also a successful business that you cannot miss clients or you cannot fail if you locate in a very good place where it is accessible to the clients. The final business idea that I have for you today, which is also successful, is investing in real estate. Real estate investing has been very difficult things, but nowadays it has been one of the easiest things to invest. It requires you only to buy a share of real estate investments rather than buying or land on your own or starting rentals or buying a house and starting rentals. It's better you start buying shares of real estate companies. That's one way that you are going to make money, and it has been successful for over the past years. The growth in sales of lands and houses has been increasing. Housing financing has been increasing for over the past years. So investing in it will be another successful business idea that you need to consider. If you have really liked my video, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button, as well as thumbs up to my video so that you get also the other upcoming videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.